So I bought, this is where I carried all my camera gear. So I bought some batteries, K&F, because this little battery charger here started smelling like burnt plastic. Still smells a little like burnt plastic, and my batteries weren't charging. And then so I would plug my camera directly into one of these batteries to charge, and it would take forever. And then I one of those little wall outlet thingies, it would just take forever to charge. So I bought some batteries from K&F. I think I'm saying it right. And, as I was opening the box, I was thinking, I hope it's the right box. K&F, yeah, K&F Concept. And it's got it on eBay. And I'm always, it says make an offer. I'm always offering less. I forgot what I offered, but I always offer less. And sometimes they bite. And sometimes you get like 5 chances, 5 offers. So I always offer like a lot less. So this is this came with 3 batteries. Am I even recording? Oh yeah, it's recording. Ugh. Let's put this away. Kind of sharp. The reason I do this, oh, got the tripod there, but is one time I ordered something on eBay. It was totally not what I ordered. So now to kind of cover my behind, I record when I open it. So I kind of do a cover my behind / unboxing, and I put it on YouTube. So we're gonna try this out, make sure it works. The lights up, looks like it works. Flickering, and they're flickering. All right, so we'll let that flicker for a while. And this is an Anchor battery. It's called 341. I think it's 40,000 40,000. So that's that. And Maybe I should talk about the batteries and charger. So these batteries are model NP-FZ100. Should get my glasses. Even with glasses, I can't read. The heck they say? Well, anyways. So it was a 3-pack of FZ. Well, they're for the Sony A6700. I think they were 2600 milliamps. Anyways, there it is. And it looks like they're working. All right, that's that. All right, I figured it out. They're right here. It's 2280 milliamps, 3 each. And got them on eBay. K&F Concept. Model FZ100. NP November Papa Foxtrot Zulu 100.